Good morning students. Today topic is linear approximation and differential of a several variable and a function of a function. First we have to take linear approximation of three variables x, y, z. F of initial values x naught, y naught, z naught plus 2f by dou x apply x naught, y naught, z naught into x minus x naught plus dou f by dou y differentiate f with respect to y into y minus y naught using the point x naught, y naught, z naught plus dou f by dou z minus z naught apply the point x naught, y naught, z naught. We get a linear approximation of a given function. The function contains three variables x, y, z. The expansion of the linear approximation is this one. Next, if w of x, y, there are two variables are given, function of the variable x, y, then dou w by dou t is equal to dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt. This rule we call as chain rule, function of a function chain rule. Now we are going to take ex number 8.5, sum number 1. If w of x, y, w of x comma y is equal to x power 3 minus 3xy plus 2y square, x comma y belongs to our real number set. Find the linear approximation. Find the linear approximation for w at the point x is 1, y is minus 1. Let w is equal to w of x, y. W is equal to x cube minus 3xy plus 2y square. First wx. Wx means differentiate w with respect to x. Dou w by dou x is equal to 3x square. 3 into 1 into y is minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 3x square minus 3y. Now dou w by dou x at the given point 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. Apply x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, 3 into positive 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 3 minus of minus positive 3 is equal to 6. Next wy. Wy means dou w by dou y. Dou w by dou y. First x is variable, therefore 0 minus 3x into 1 plus 4y minus 3x. Dou w by dou y at 1 comma minus 1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 minus 3 into positive 1 is equal to minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Next w of x naught, y naught. W of x naught comma y naught. X naught is 1, y naught is minus 1. Apply given function w of xy. So w of 1 comma minus 1 is equal to 1 power 3 minus 3 into 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 minus of minus positive plus 3 plus 2 into is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Linear approximation is equal to linear approximation L of xy is equal to W of x naught comma y naught plus dou W by dou x at x naught y naught into x minus x naught plus dou W by dou y x naught comma y naught y minus y naught. There are two variables, therefore dou W by dou x minus x naught plus dou W by dou y minus y naught is equal to W of x naught y naught is 6 plus dou W by dou x at 1 comma minus 1 is again 6 plus minus 7 is equal to 6 dou W by dou x is dou W by dou x 6 into x minus 1 6 into x minus 1 plus 7 of y minus of minus positive 1 is equal to 6 plus 6x minus 6 minus 7y minus 7 is equal to 6x minus 7y minus 7. Question number 2. This is linear approximation of the two variables x and y. So L of xy is equal to 6x minus 7y minus 7. Question number 2. Let z of x comma y is equal to x square y plus 3xy to the power of 4 linear approximation belongs to xy belongs to the real number set. Find the linear approximation for given function is z for z at 2 comma minus 1 is z of xy. There are two variables x square y plus 3x y to the power of 4. First to find zx is equal to dou z by dou x is equal to 2x into y plus 3 into 1 y to the power of 4 is equal to 2x by plus 3 y to the power of 4. Now dou z by dou x at the point 2 comma minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 of minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus 3 into positive 1 is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Next to find zx z y is equal to dou w by dou y. Dou w by dou y is equal to y into, so in this case z dou z divided by dou y. dou z by dou y is equal to x square of 1 plus 3x 4y to the power of 3 is equal to x square plus 12x y to the power of 3. Now dou z divided by dou y at 2 comma minus 1 is equal to 2 square plus 12 into 2 minus 1 power 3 is equal to 4 plus 24 into minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 24 is minus 20. Next z of x naught comma y naught. X naught y naught means z of the given point 2 comma minus 1 is equal to 2 square into minus 1 plus 3 into 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 10. Minus 6 minus 4 plus 6 is positive 2. Minus 4 plus 6 is positive 2. Linear approximation. Linear approximation. Linear approximation of the given function L of xy is equal to z of x naught comma y naught plus dou z by dou x x minus x naught plus dou z by dou y y minus y naught is equal to z of x naught y naught is 2. Z of x naught y naught is 2 plus dou z by dou x at the point 1 is minus 1 into x minus 2. X minus x naught is 2 plus dou z by dou y at x naught y naught at x naught y naught. Here x naught y naught. Dou z by dou y at x naught y naught is minus 20. Y minus of minus positive 1. Y minus of minus plus 1 is equal to 2 into minus x plus 2 minus 20y minus 20 minus 20y minus 20 is equal to 4 minus 16 minus x 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 20. So minus 20 plus here minus 16. Common minus 1 into x plus here 20y plus 20y plus 16. So minus of x plus 20y plus 16 is linear approximation. L of xy is equal to minus x plus 20y plus 16. Hence the result. Next, v of xy is equal to x square minus xy plus 1 by 4 y square plus 7 x comma y belongs to R. Find the differential at v. Find the differential at v. V means differential, therefore dv. At dv. Let v is equal to, v means v of xy is equal to x square minus xy plus 1 by 4 y square plus 7. Differentiate v. dv is equal to 2x dx minus x and y are the variables. Therefore, using u dv plus v du formula, x dv plus y dx plus 1 by 4 2y dy plus constant differentiation is 0 is equal to 2x dx minus x dy minus y dx plus 1 by 2 y dv y dy. Now collect dx term, 2x minus y of dx, then collect dy term plus 1 by 2 minus x of 1 by 2 minus x 1 by 2 y 1 by 2 y 1 by 2 y minus x of dy is equal to 2x minus y of dx here plus minus x plus of y of dy. Hence the differential dv is equal to, hence dv is equal to 2x minus y of dx plus minus x plus of into y into dy is differential. Let v of xyz is equal to xy plus yz plus zx comma xyz belongs to real number set. Find the differential of v. Find the differential of dv. Let p be written. Therefore xy plus yz plus zx. Differentiate v. We have dv. dv is equal to, there are two variables xy, x dy plus y dx plus y dz plus z dy plus z dx plus x dz. Now collect two terms, dx dy d and dz. First dx y plus z dx plus z plus x z plus x. Here dy term is z plus x of dy plus x plus y of dz. This is a differential of dv. So dv, hence dv is equal to x plus y dz plus y plus z first dz, next y plus z of dx plus z plus x of dy times the result. Next, function of function using chain rule. Ex number 8.6, sum number 1. If u of xy is equal to x square y plus 3xy to the power of 4, comma, x is equal to e to the power of t, y is equal to sin t, find dou u by dou t first to find du by dt, du by dt, and evaluate and it at t is equal to 0. We have to take let u is equal to x square y plus 3x y to the power of 4. The chain rule is the chain rule of two variables is du by dt, du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is equal to 2xy, 2xy plus 3y power 4, 3y power 4, 4xy, 2xy plus 3y power 4. Now dou u by dou x at xy, x comma y is equal to, here xy is e to the power of t sin t, so 2 x is e to the power of t, y is sin t plus 3 into y is sin power 4t. Next dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y is x square plus 3 4s are 12, 12x y power 3, dou u by dou y at xy. Xy means in this case e to the power of t sin t is equal to e to the power of t whole square plus 12 into e to the power of t sin power 3t. E to the power of t into e to the power of t is e to the power of t square, therefore e to the power of 2t. E to the power of t into e to the power of t is equal to e to the power of 2t plus 12 e to the power of t sin power 3t, sin power 3. Next dx by dt, x is equal to e to the power of t, dx by dt is again e to the power of t, y is equal to sin t, dy by dt is cos t, Now du by dt is equal to first dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x at xy is 2 into e to the power of t sin t plus 3 sin square t into e to the power of t plus next dou u by dou y dou u by dou y at e to the power of 2t plus e to 12 into e to the power of t sin cube t into cos t. Now plus 3 sin square t e to the power of t plus e to the power of 2t 12 e to the power of t sin cube t cos t. Du by dt at t is equal to 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. Here sin 0 is 0. E to the power of t is 1. So totally 0. Plus e to the power of 2t. E to the power of 0 is 1. Here e to the power of t is 1. 12 into 1 is 12. Sin t. Sin 0 is 0. So this term will be 0 into cos t. So e to the power of t is 1 plus 0 into cos 0 is 1. So totally 1. Hence du by dt at t is equal to 0 is 1. Is equal to x y square z power 3 given x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos t, z is equal to 1 plus e to the power of 2t. Find du by dt using the chain rule. Let u is equal to x y square z power 3. Where x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos t, and z is equal to 1 plus e to the power of 2t. The chain rule is du by dt by the chain rule du by in this case u du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x dx by dt plus dou u by dou y dy by dt. First find dou u by dou x. U is given, dou u by dou t. 3 variables x, y and z is given. Therefore plus dou u by dou z dz by dt. First to find dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is equal to x 1 y square z power 3 is equal to y square z power 3. Next dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is 2x y z power 3. Dou u by dou z is equal to 3x y square into z power 2. Now next to find dx by dt. Dx by dt, sin x is sin t, differentiate with respect to t cos t. Next dy by dt, y is cos t, differentiate with respect to t sin t, minus sin t. Next dz divided by dt is equal to 0 plus 2e to the power of 2t, 2e to the power of 2t, 2e to the power of 2t. Okay. Now du by dt is equal to du by dt. In this case we apply x is equal to sin t, du by dx at, after apply we get answer. Dou u by dou t dt is equal to dou u by dou x y square z power 3 into cos t plus 3x y square z square of minus sin t plus 2 by dou z is 3x square, no, here 2x y square, second part 2x y z power 3, third part dou by dou z 3x y square z square into 2e to the power of 2t. Substitute first y square is cos square t z power 3, z power 3 means 1 plus e to the power of 2t whole to the power of 3 into cos t, into cos t, first part is over, plus second 2 x is sin t, y is x is sin t, y then z power 3, z power 3 is 1 plus e to the power of 2t z plus 1 e to the power of 2t whole to the power of 3. Next minus sin t of minus sin t plus 3 x is sin t, y square is cos square t, z square is 1 plus e to the power of 2t whole square into 2 e to the power of 2t. e to the power of 2t sin t. So cos t into cos square t is cos power 3 t 1 plus e to the power of 2t whole to the power of 3 plus into minus is minus 2 sin t cos t sin 2t into sin 2t 1 plus e to the power of 2t whole to the power of 3 plus 3 sin t, only one sin, 2 into sin t cos t is sin 2t into 3 cos t of 1 plus e to the power of 2t whole square into e to the power of 2t. Next is cos cube t stop now is equal to now 1 plus e to the power of 2t whole square is common. Here minimum power is 2. Therefore 1 plus e to the power of 2t whole square, remaining part cos cube t of 1 plus e to the power of 2t minus sin t sin 2t of 1 plus e to the power of 2t plus t 6 2 3s are 6 here 2 3s are 6 only 1 2 2 3s are 6 t 1 plus e to the power of 2t plus plus 3 into sin 2t into so cos t next e to the power of 2t e to the power of 2t hence the result. So du by dt is equal to hence du by dt is equal to 1 plus e to the power of 2t whole square of cos cube t 1 plus e to the power of 2t minus sin t sin 2t 1 plus e to the power of 2t plus 3 cos t sin 2t e to the power of 2t. Hence the result. W of x y z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. X is equal to e to the power of t, y is equal to e to the power of t sin t, z is equal to e to the power of t cos t. Find dw by dt. Let w is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. X is equal to e to the power of t, y is equal to e to the power of t sin t, z is equal to e to the power of t cos t. By the chain rule, dw by dt dou w by dou x and dx by dt plus dou w by dou y dy by dt. Dou w by dou z dz divided by dt. W is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Dou w by dou x is equal to 2x. Dou w by dou x at x is equal to at x is equal to a to the power of t, 2 into a to the power of t. Next, dou w by dou y is equal to 2y. 0 plus 2y plus 0. 2 into dou w by dou y at y is equal to a to power t sin t is equal to 2 into a to power t sin t. Next, dou w by dou z is equal to 2z is equal to dou w by dou z at z is equal to 2 into a to the power of t cos t. Next, dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to x is e to the power of t, so e to the power of t. dy by dt is equal to e to the power of t cos t plus sin t into e to the power of t. Next, dz divided by dt is equal to e to the power of t minus sin t plus cos t e to the power of t. This means e to the power of t cos t minus e to the power of t sin t. Now dw by dt is equal to dou w by dou x. Dou w by dou x is 2x, so 2 into e to the power of t. 2 into e to the power of t into dx by dt into e to the power of t plus next dou w by dou y at y is equal to, so 2 into e to the power of t sin t into dy by dt into e to the power of t cos t plus e to the power of t sin t plus dou w by dou z 2 into e to the power of t cos t of e to the power of t cos t minus e to the power of t sin t. First 2 into e to the power of t into e to the power of t is e to the power of 2t, 2 e to the power of 2t plus 2 e to the power of 2t, 2 e to the power of 2t sin t cos t plus 2 into e to the power of 2t sin square t plus 2 e to the power of 2t cos square t minus e to the power of 2 into e to the power of t, 2 into e to the power of 2t sin t cos t, sin t cos t, 2 minus 2 e to the power of t sin t cos t, 2 e to the power of t sin t cos t cancel is equal to 2 e to the power of 2t plus 2 e to the power of 2t sin square t plus 2 e to the power 2t cos square t. Now take last two terms constant. Sin square t plus cos square t, constant 2 into e to the power 2t is common. So 2 e to the power 2t plus 2 e to the power 2t sin square t plus cos square t. Sin square t plus cos square t is trigonometric identity 1. Therefore 2 e to the power 2t plus 2 e to the power 2t into 1. Therefore 2 e to the power 2t plus 2 e to the power 2t is 4 e to the power 2t. Hence dw by dt is equal to 4 into e to the power 2t. Hence the result. Let u of x y is equal to e to the power of x sin y, where x is equal to s t square, y is equal to s square t, where s and t belongs to the real number set. Find dou u by dou s and dou u by dou t, and evaluate them at s is equal to t is equal to 1. e to the power of x sin y, x is equal to s t square, y is equal to s square t. First find dou u by dou s. So the chain rule, by the chain rule, dou u by dou s is equal to dou u by dou x dx by ds plus dou u by dou y dy by ds. To find dou u by dou x, u is equal to e to the power of x sin y, dou u by dou x is equal to e to the power of x sin y. E to the power of x differentiation is e to the power of x, therefore e to the power of x sin y. But y is s square t. Therefore dou u by dou x at y is equal to s square t is equal to e to the power of x sin s square t. Next dou u s t square, y is equal to s square t. So e to the power of s t square into sin of is equal to e to the power of s t square sin s square t. Next dou u by dou y is equal to dou u by dou y. So e to the power of x is constant, sin y means differentiate y with respect to x cos y. Dou u by dou y at x is equal to s comma st square, y is equal to s square t. is equal to e to the power of s t square cos y is s square t. Next dx divided by in this case ts, so ds is equal s is 1, so 1 into t square is equal to t square. Next dx divided by dy divided by ds is equal to 2s t. Differentiate y in terms of s, so 2s into t. Dou s is equal to dou u by first dou u by dou to the power of s t square sin s square t plus sin s square t plus into dou u by dou s, in this case dx by ds t square into t square plus t e to the power of s t square cos of s square t into 2st into 2st. Now dou e by dou s common e to the power of st, okay, is equal to e to the power of s t square is common, t square is common, bracket sin square sin of s square t into t square plus cos of s square t into 2st, so 2 into st. Now dou u by dou s at s is equal to 1, dou u by dou s at s is equal to 1, t is equal to 1 is equal to 1 into 1 square, therefore 1 e to the power of 1 into 1 plus 2 cos 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to e to the power of 1 is e sin 1 plus 2 cos 1, hence dou u by dou s is equal to s at s equal to t is equal to 1 is e of sin 1 plus 2 cos 1. Similarly, we can find dou u by dou t by the chain rule. Dou u by dou t is equal to dou u by dou x dx by dt plus dou u by dou y dy by dt. Already known dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Now dx by dt, we want to find first dx by dt. X is equal to s t square dx by dt is equal to 2st. Next, y is equal to s square t dy by dt is equal to s square. First s t square dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt is 2t into s is 2st. Y is equal to s square t dy by dt is dy by dt is s square. Right. Now dou u by dou t is equal to dou u by dou x at x and y. Dou u by dou x e to the power of st square sin s square t into 2st plus e to the power of st square cos square t cos of s square t into s square into s t square is common into s square t plus s square into cos of s square t. This is dou u by dou t. Now dou u by dou t at s is equal to t is equal to 1 is e to the power of 1 into 1 square is 1, therefore e to the power of 1 bracket into sin 1 1 square is 1 cos 1 into cos 1, hence dou u by dou t at s is equal to t is equal to 1 is e into 1 plus cos of 1. Answer ex number 8.5, sum number 4. Ex number 8.6, sum number 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. Study well. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.